When building concurrent Python applications, choosing the right AI chatbot for AsyncIO patterns can save hours of debugging. 3 top contenders stand out: OpenAI's GPT-4, Anthropic's Claude, and Google's Gemini. GPT-4 excels at explaining complex event loop mechanics and providing working examples of gather and create task. Claude offers detailed comparisons between AsyncIO and threading, with clear diagrams in its responses. Gemini integrates well with Google's ecosystem, making it ideal for Cloud Run or App Engine async setups. All 3 can generate correct AsyncIO code for HTTP clients, database connections, and task queues. The key differentiator is context retention. Claude keeps longer conversations without forgetting earlier async patterns, while GPT-4 handles nested coroutines more reliably. For debugging deadlocks or race conditions, GPT-4's step-by-step analysis often outperforms others. The takeaway: match the chatbot to your specific async challenge, GPT-4 for complex coroutine chains, Claude for architectural guidance, and Gemini for Google Cloud native async workflows.